Okay, right, this is a video to someone on YouTube that wants me to make a video to show him how to raise a lower suspension. I'm demonstrating this, well, telling you to do it on an RM125 1993. But got some bad news. You have to take the side panels off. Probably easy to do it on this side, I don't know. Simple, easy job, 10-minute job is that. Take this out, and if you can see in there, you got two springs. You got one on the top, one not springs, two sort of look like cogs. Got one on the top, one on the bottom. What I want to do in the bottom one is get something like, not this, but something like this, a blunt edge. And if you can get it on the bottom in one of the grooves there, if I can try and show you now, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do. Like so, if you can see in there, you see but on the bottom there should be like a bottom bolt. It should look like that. What you want to do is get it on the bottom one and then tap it gently with a hammer, not too hard, just gently. Make sure this is on the bottom. Again, make sure it's on the bottom. Why don't you seem to make it on the bottom bolt or whatever you want to call it? The top one's the lock one. I'm doing this free-handed, so I wouldn't advise you to do this yourself without holding it, but don't know if you can see it moving. Look at that. It's slowly moving. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's adjusting the back shock or suspension, whatever you want to call it. If you want me to do an even more detailed or clear, I should say, video, then let me know, and I'll take the plastics off and give you a better, show you how to do it better. Let me know if it's been to any help, or if you want me to make any more videos or how-to videos. Thanks for watching.